details.
Hello, friends. Look at this picture. What do you see?
Think.
It is Lily's birthday party. Today is Lily's birthday.
Lily is 5 years old.
Let's see what everyone is doing. Look at Lily. What is Lily doing?
Think.
Lily is celebrating her birthday.
Say! Lily is celebrating her birthday. Say again.
Lily!
Lily is celebrating her birthday. Good job.
Look at Mumma. What is Mumma doing?
Think.
Mumma is lighting the candles.
Say.
Mumma is lighting the candles. Say again. Mumma is lighting the candles. Good job! Look at Daddy. What is Daddy doing?
Think. Daddy is taking pictures. Say! Daddy is taking pictures.
Say again.
Daddy is taking pictures. Good job.
Look at Leo. What is Leo doing?
Think.
Leo is giving a party hat to a friend. Say! Leo is giving a party hat to a friend. Say again. Leo is giving a party hat to a friend. Good job! Look at Emma. What is Emma doing?
Think. Emma is clapping her hands. Say! Emma is clapping her hands.
Say again.
Emma is clapping her hands. Good job.
Look at Johnny. What is Johnny doing?
Think.
Johnny is holding a birthday present. Say! Johnny is holding a birthday present. Say again. Johnny is holding a birthday present. Good job! Look at Cherry. What is Cherry doing?
Think. Cherry is holding balloons. Say! Cherry is holding balloons.
Say again.
Cherry is holding balloons. Good job.
Let's learn new words.
What is this? Think.
It is a birthday banner.
Say! Birthday banner.
Good job!
What is this? Think.
It is a party hat.
Say! Party hat.
Good job!
What is this? Think.
It is a birthday present.
Say! Birthday present.
Good job!
What is this? Think. It is a birthday cake.
Say birthday cake.
Good job. What is this? Think. It is a candle.
Say
Candle. Good job. What are these? Think.
they are cookies.
Say cookies. Good job. What is this? Think.
There is popcorn.
Say popcorn. Good job. What is this? Think.
It is juice.
Say juice. Good job. What is this? Think.
It is a camera.
Say camera. Good job. What are these? Think.
They are balloons.
Say balloons. Good job.
Let's learn something new.
Look at birthday girl. Who is she?
She is Lily.
What is she doing?
Think.
She is celebrating her birthday.
Good job.
Look at Mama. Who is she?
Think.
She is Lily's mama.
What is she doing?
Think. She is lighting the candles.
Good job.
Look at Daddy. Who is he?
Think.
He is Lily's daddy.
What is he doing?
Think. He is taking pictures.
Good job.
Look at Leo. Who is he?
Think.
He is Lily's brother.
What is he doing?
Think. He is giving a party hat to a friend.
Good job.
Look at Emma. Who is she?
She is Lily's friend.
What is she doing? Think.
She is clapping her hands.
Good job. Look at Johnny. Who is he?
like balloons?
Think, say.
I like balloons.
Do you like birthday presents? Think, say. I like birthday presents.
Do you like popcorn?
Think, say.
I like popcorn.
One last question.
What do you like the most at a birthday party?
Think. Wonderful.
You did a great job today.
I hope you had fun learning with Lily.
See you in the next Picture Talk. Bye bye.